Hello guys, welcome back to Technolocore. So far, we have covered the basics of 2D sketching and 3D features. Now it's the time to put that knowledge and solve some practical examples based on everything we have learned so far. So if you are new here, make sure to check our previous videos to start from the beginning. And subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. So let's get started. So the two examples which we are going to solve are displayed on the screen. You can take the screenshot or else we will provide the link or the photos in the description. You can download it offline and you can solve the example. So now we will start drawing the first exercise. So we will go step by step. So at the first we will draw the base and then we'll extrude it. So after that on that top extrude we will draw this vertical design. Okay, so that if you closely observe the dimension of the base they have given, it is around 72 into 35. Okay, so now we will hit the part option and I will select the top plane as my reference. I will just sketch, and that in sketch option just go for the center rectangle. So we will start drawing a center rectangle. Okay, now we'll hit the smart dimension option and I will give this as 72 mm and this as 35 mm. Okay, so I need to draw two circles and those diameters should be 12 mm and the distance between these two is 48 and 23. So I will draw two circles. Okay, and give them a dimension as 12, also 12. So the distance between this and this is 23 and here to here it is 48. So I will give this as here divided by 2 and I will hit this option and press Ctrl and I will select this option and we will select this as horizontal. Okay, so we just need to give this distance 24. Okay, this is complete. So now I need to draw a curve. Okay, like this on these two edges. So what I will do is I will select the arc type A. I will hit this option and I will select this and start drawing arc, and when the line will get orange it indicates that it is tangent. You can also see in the yellow box it is in tangent. Okay, we'll just select. So now to get confirm what we'll do is we will just press escape and I will just select this and I will select this line and we'll check the tangent for this also. This tangent. Okay, so it is over defined because we have already given dimension. I press Ctrl plus Z. So if you see it has turned black means it is tangent on both sides. The sketch is fully defined. So we need to draw this same arc on this side. So again go in sketch option and find this option as 3-point arc and just select this arrow facing downwards and just select center point arc. Now I will just click this center and first I will hit this option, and if you closely observe when it is exactly normal to it will just turn into orange color. So I will select here and start dragging my mouse, and when it hits here it is showing orange in color means it is tangent. I will just sit here and select. So I will do the same thing. First need to press escape, select this line, hit control, select this line and press tangent. See, this is also completely defined. Now we need to trim this. So this is completed. So now we need to give the boss extrude and the thickness as 10 mm. Okay, so I will just select boss extrude, give this as 10 mm. It's already 10. Hit. So if you closely observe, we need to cut here. The dimension of that is 5 mm and the depth is 4 mm because the last thickness is 6 mm they have given. I will hit here and hit this sketch. So I will just select this rectangle and I need to select corner rectangle. So I will select corner rectangle and draw a rectangle. So in smart dimension, this will be 72 itself. Okay, and this, if you check in drawing, it is 5 mm. So 5 mm. So in sketch option, or sorry, in features, select this extrude cut. So here the remaining is 6 mm. So out of 10, 6 is remaining means we have to cut 4 mm. Hit 4, done. So the base is completely ready. So I need to draw this upper portion. Okay. So for that, I will just select this sketch from this. We'll start drawing by this and we'll give the boss extrude over here. Okay. I will hit this, just select this and sketch. Okay. So now we need to draw. First, we'll draw a corner rectangle. This. So if you check uh, the height, we'll see it afterwards. So they have given from the ground till the distance it as 60 mm. So we will just see the smart dimension and the distance between this and this center is they have given 60 mm. 60, and the distance between this and this they have given it as 30. Okay? So this is not at the exactly at the center. So what we need to do is just look for the center point here, select this, press Ctrl and select this our reference center line and just hit vertical. Now see, it is fully defined, means the all the constants are defined. Okay, so we need to draw a circle over here, or we need a like arc. So we'll do the same. We'll hit this, we'll hit center point arc and just look for the center, click like this select. So we need to trim this. Well, just the trim option, fine. Now we need to give the, so I need to draw a center circle which is 12 mm in diameter. Draw this dimension as 12 mm. Okay, so now we need to draw two just like arc over here which are having the radius of 15 mm. So I will do the same thing. I will go and I will just select center point arc, just hit some point and hit this option and this and just select. Okay, so if you look closely we will give this radius as 15. R is 15. So first we will draw a line from the center of our, now just delete this and we will consider from the center point this get Need to give this. So now what I will do is I will hit this option and press Control and press this option and select tangent tool. Now I need to draw, so I need to make this point with this tangent. So I will select this line, select this arc and press it. Now this is not complete. So what we'll do is we'll hit the sketch option and we will press this line. Then we'll trim this. We need to do the same on that. Or else what we can do is we can just simply mirror this. So I have the entities I want to mirror this, the mirror about is for defined. So oh, both the lines are overlapped. So I will trim this also. Draw a this. This is finished. If you closely observe, we have drawn on this plane. Okay, so we need to give the thickness of this as 13 minus 5, which is 8. So we will give 8 here, and then we need to extend this circular part. So what we'll do is first we will extrude this. Okay, see, now it is on the opposite side, so we need to change the direction. And so we will select this as 8 hit okay, done. So now we need to extend this part 5 front. So we will hit this option, select sketch, and we will draw the same. Well, this. It should be. Now we will extrude this, and now we will give the thickness as 5 So now if you closely observe, our design is completed. Our first exercise is complete. So we will move on our second exercise. We will start drawing. So even in this drawing we'll do the same, but this time what we'll do is we have similar patterns on the opposite sides. So what we can do is we can just create the base, extrude it, and on the one side we will just draw the design, and on the other side we will mirror it, taking the reference as a plane. Okay, so now we will start drawing the base. So for that, select the home option and then hit the part option. So this time also I will take the top plane as my reference and start sketching. Okay, so now what I will do is I will just select in sketch, I will select the center rectangle and I will draw a rectangle, because in our base we have a rectangle. So the dimension of the base is, it is around 85, and the width is, if you see, it is 50. So we will just give the dimension as 80 by 50. So the center circle is 20 diameter. I will just select the circle and press this. Give the smart dimension and the dimension as 20. So the thickness for extrude it is 15 So you just hit the post extrude and give this thickness as in So now what we'll do is we will draw on this side, taking this as a reference, and then we will mirror on that side. Okay. So I will just select this and hit sketch option. Okay. So 8. So what we'll do is we'll start drawing. So the first, if you see, we have a circle at the center. So take this as a reference and we'll draw a circle. The circle is having a diameter of 15 mm. So what we'll do is we will draw a construction line as our reference. So, and the distance between this point and this line end point is around 50 mm. 50 mm. So if you closely observe, we need to draw a arc which is having diameter of 30. So what we'll do is we will draw the point R, and I will just select this. We'll take till here, draw. Okay. So now I need to give this diameter is around, the radius is 15. So now what I need to draw is I need to draw a tangent line from here till here. So take the line, this line, this line. See it, and that side will do the same. Just you can just simply draw a line, and then we can make this line as tangent. So hit this line and press Ctrl and just select this arc and hit tangent relation. For here also you do the same thing. Press this, hit Ctrl and press this and tangent. Now the extra thing what we need to do is we need to trim. First I will just complete this. We'll select trim, and if you see, this design is completely defined. It is fully complete. So the inner part is shaded. So now if you see the thickness of this upper part is having 12 mm. So just in features option, go for the boss extrude base. First we need to reverse the direction and then hit this 12 mm and press. So this same design I need to have on this side. So in the features option, just select for the mirror. This mirror option is for the 3D. Okay, so hit mirror option, and then first the what features we need to mirror, we have to select that. So just select here features to mirror, and then in this option press this arrow mark, and we need to mirror this option. So you find this boss extrude here. Okay, so mirror or the face plane. So here we have a center right plane. If you see, when you press this, exactly after the center, if you see, it is showing the preview of yellow color. So when you find it is okay, then press this option okay. You see the design has been mirrored. So now the last is, if you want to change the color, just hit Ctrl plus A, and in this apply scene or this edit appearance, you can just select the color as yellow, or you can just completely select this Ctrl plus A, it is showing yellow color, and hit see. So in the next video we will draw, or we will design these kinds of different designs, so that you will get a hands-on experience in 3D, and we'll step by step move on our further tutorials on the remaining options of the features option and other related options. Till then, thank you.